Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have two cases from Ringke for the Pixel 7 Pro. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I'm going to review these two cases from Ringke for the Pixel 7 Pro. I want to shout them out for sending me their Fusion Matte Clear case and then also the Fusion Clear case. Both cases are great. This is just there for looks. I actually been using both of the cases this week, so I'm going to just do this one a little bit different. I already been using them, kind of unboxed them myself. But I wanted to try something different. I wanted to use it for a little bit and just give y'all like an update experience with these cases on the phone for the last couple of days. I have been using Ringke cases for a while now and they fit well. Everything looks good. And this clear one will show off the beauty. So let's start off with this. You can get these cases from Amazon. I will have the links in the description. But if you want to see the packaging, it says "Live a Better Day." If you dealt with Ringke before, this is their packaging. It's eco-friendly, made out of recycled material. But here is the Fusion Clear case. Now when you get it, it does have like protective film that you peel off. And then you can start using the case. But it protects your phone, but also looks great. Look out, look, it shows off the beauty. You got camera protection there. You have a cutout just for the cameras and then cut out for the flash. You also get the lay down protection or lip action from the top and bottom. The cutouts at the bottom line up. The power button is a little ridged, so easy to find and easy to press. The volume rockers are the same. Nice and tactile, like we like to say in the YouTube game. Microphone at the top lines up, so the only thing with this case, it does attract fingerprints, but it shows off the beauty of your phone, no matter what color you have, if you have the hazel or the snow white one, or even if you have the black one. Look at that. Shows off the beauty. The buttons are easy to press. The overall fit is pretty good. The top and bottom, you can see how the case comes up just a little bit, not too much over the glass, or it's actually a little bit lower than the glass. Can you wireless charge? Again, I don't think you will have a problem. And there you go. You can wireless charge without a problem. So that is the Fusion. Let's move on to the Fusion Matte. So this one I actually been using a little bit more because this one doesn't attract as much fingerprints. But you get that same camera cutout and protection there. You protect the metal, which has been getting scratched up by other YouTubers and other people using it. You get that same type of camera protection or lay down protection, lip action like I like to call it. You got the same power button, same volume rockers. So everything feels the same, it lines up. So basically what they did was made this a matte finish, but call it a Fusion Matte. So everything else is just like the Fusion case, except for up here, it is clear, which is pretty cool. I don't know, which one is your favorite? Both of them do not add bulk to your phone, so this is not a bulky case. But you can see the corner protection that they both have all the way around. Can you wireless charge with this one? Again, no problem wireless charging either. But if you want to pick up the Fusion Matte, you can definitely do so. I will have the links in the description. Or if you just like the Fusion Clear, it's up to you. Pick one. They both will be in the links in the description below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Pixel 7 Pro. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here.